In the last video, we cracked the code. We analyzed 8 years of papers and uncovered the secret CGL blueprint, the handful of high-impact topics that control your score. We found the map. Today, we learn how to drive. This isn't another strategy video. This is the how-to guide. We're going to install the engine. We'll cover the winning mindset, the exact daily timetable to follow, and the performance rules that will transform your preparation in these final 20 days. First, the mindset. For the next 20 days, your goal is not to learn more. It is to master the tested. We are building a topper's reflex, the ability to see a question and solve it instantly because you've mastered its pattern. To do this, you need 2 essential tools. Your first tool is the right resource. A topic-wise PYQ compilation, like the one from Pinnacle Publications, is critical because it allows for the targeted practice we need. Your second tool is the right method. You cannot study for 4 or 5 hours straight. You must use a productivity technique like Pomodoro. Work in focused 25-minute sprints, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind sharp and prevents burnout. Now for the game plan. Your first 2 weeks are the mastery phase. This is your week 1 schedule. As you can see, it's a simple themed plan. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are your analytical days, where you will master the high-impact topics of quant and reasoning using the Pomodoro method. For example, on Monday morning, you will focus only on geometry PYQs. Tuesday and Thursday are your memory days, dedicated to building your English vocabulary and mastering the repetitive static GK and current affairs from PYQs. Sunday is your performance day, where you take a full-length PYQ paper and analyze it. You will repeat this exact same weekly schedule for week 2. This repetition is the secret. It drills the most important concepts into your memory, building incredible speed and accuracy. This brings us to the final week, the performance phase. The focus now shifts entirely to exam simulation. From day 15 to 18, you will solve 1 full PYQ paper daily, followed by deep analysis. And how do you attempt these papers? You use the 15-25-10-10 rule. This is a 60-minute time management strategy. You give 15 minutes to reasoning, 25 to quant, 10 to English, and 10 to GA and final review. Practicing with this rule builds the mental discipline you need to perform under pressure. The blueprint gave you the knowledge. This plan gives you the skill. You now have the what, the how, and the when. You have the complete strategy. The path is clear. For the next 20 days, trust this data-driven plan. Trust the process and trust yourself. You are ready. Go and conquer it.